Hey, if you want to use the keyboard Clipboard on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus, first of all we have to open our keyboard. So let's do this, for example, in the settings. And now we have the keyboard, and to open the clipboard, it actually appears just right here, but there's no any items. So to use the clipboard, let's type something, the random letters, then click and hold with your finger and then tap to copy. And now it was automatically copied to the clipboard, and as you can see right here we got text suggestion. So when I click on it, as you can see, it just automatically passed the phrase that I copy. When I click on this arrow, I can open this clipboard, and here I can find this phrase. And then when I'm gonna click and hold it, I can actually click on this icon and it will be pinned. So right now, if you copy like 10 or 20 different phrases, it will be not overwrite this one, it will be still right here. If you want to clear your clipboard, you just click on the trash icon, select what you want to delete, click delete, confirm, and as you can see, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.